Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make this green and yellow squash gratin. Very delicious, simple and easy to do. If you got it in your garden, use those seasonal vegetables. You're going to need 2 pounds of squash. I do the mixture of green and yellow. 1 cup of panko crumbs, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Here's my granddaughter. She's gonna come help me. Say hi to everyone, Chloe.
Hi.
We got 1/2 cup of half and half, 1 shallot, 2 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, we're gonna show you how to get this together. Are you ready to show them, Chloe?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. I've been cutting down the squash. I removed the ends, as you can see. And over here, discard that. Cut the yellow squash in half. Then you can lie them flat side down. Cut them in half again. This is for safety reasons. Then cut them in 1/2-inch slices. And we're going to do the same thing to the zucchini. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to melt the butter. Add the zucchini and yellow squash. I'm going to add a little pepper to mine. I don't really like to add salt because we're adding that Parmesan cheese, but if you'd like to add salt, you may. A little salt will help the zucchini cook a little faster. It'll draw out a little liquid there. With a spoon, we're going to let this saute for the next 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Doesn't that look absolutely fantastic? Cut off the ends of that shallot, slice it in half, and remove the first layer of that shallot skin by just peeling it off. Comes off very beautifully. Cut it vertically and then horizontally. Take the garlic clove, use the back of your knife. Whoops! About lost my shallots there. Remove the skin off of that garlic. It'll come off very nice. Do the same to your second clove of garlic. We're going to mince down that garlic. Be careful with your fingers. Keep them tucked under. Safety number 1 when it comes working with your knife. And you can run your knife back and forth through your garlic until you have this fine minced garlic. Your chives and your garlic, we're going to add the last 3 minutes of cooking that zucchini. And look how beautiful those are. And in goes the shallots and the garlic. Does that smell fantastic? Give it a lovely little toss and then let it cook for an additional 3 minutes while you continue stirring. Now it's time to add that half and half. We're going to stir this and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. This looks about perfect. Remove it off the heat. Add half those panko crumbs, half the Parmesan cheese. Stir this in until it's nice and lovely. At this time, you want your oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now into a well-greased 8-inch or 9-inch baking dish. And that smells so delicious with that Parmesan cheese. Woo! Yum. We're going to add a layer of panko crumbs. Let's do it like this. See? Go over the top.
It's cheese.
Yeah, this is panko crumbs that we're sprinkling on right now.
I'm sprinkling one.
Ready for the Parmesan cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, sprinkle it on. There we go. Sprinkle it over the top. It's going to... Okay, just a little bit. You can use your fingers if you want to, Chloe. Good job. There you go. Put some over here. Put it on there evenly. Was that fun? Yeah. Are you ready to put it in the oven?
Yeah.
For 15 minutes, use your timer and no peeking. Just took the green and yellow squash gratin out of the oven. And when it gets really bubbly along the edges like that, you know it's completed its baking time. We're gonna let this cool off for a few minutes and I'll dig into it and let you know what it tastes like. Yummy, and it smells delicious.
Yummy.
You like that? It does smell good. I'm gonna dig in here just in an informal way, show you how lovely and delicious that is. Oh yeah, it's still really smoking hot. Gotta give it a try. Woo, and look at that right there. You know that's gonna be Flavor. That is fantastic with barbecue, meatloaf, roast, whatever else you can think of, y'all. I just want to get back down in there and show you how scrumptious this green and yellow squash gratin is. Look at that. Look at that zucchini and that yellow squash. It's fantastic. Hope y'all give this a try. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. You know what to do. Leave me a comment. Give me thumbs up. Subscribe to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. And I'll catch you lovely people later.